The storm clouds of recession gather on the horizon. But fear not, intrepid entrepreneur. While economic downturns can be daunting, they are not invincible. Here are 10 battle-tested strategies to recession-proof your business, transforming it from a trembling sapling into a mighty oak, weathering any financial tempest. So, grab your metaphorical armor and prepare to fortify your financial fortress.
Welcome to Business Alchemy.
Scrutinize your spending and cut unnecessary expenses. This will free up cash flow to weather a potential downer. Imagine your business as a ship. To weather a storm, you want to make sure it's nice and strong. Fortress your finances is all about making your business ship super sturdy by checking for any holes that might be letting in water. Here's how it works. Grab your financial map. Take a close look at where your business spends money every month. Think of it like looking at all the rooms on your ship. Spot the leaks. Are there any subscriptions you don't really use anymore? Maybe an office supply you can cut back on? These are like leaky faucets on your ship, draining your resources. Plug the leaks. Once you find those extra expenses, see if you can cut back or find cheaper alternatives. This is like fixing those leaky faucets, saving you money to keep your ship afloat. By scrutinizing your spending and cutting unnecessary expenses, you'll free up cash flow. This extra cash acts like a big reserve of supplies, helping your business weather any storms that come your way. Cash is king. Build a healthy cash reserve to cover operational costs during a recession. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Imagine your business is like a car. To run smoothly, it needs gas in the tank. Cash is like the gas for your business. It allows you to pay your bills, buy supplies, and keep things running during normal times. But what if you hit a rough patch, like a recession? That's like driving on a long road trip. You might run into unexpected detours or traffic jams that slow you down. Having a healthy cash reserve is like having extra gas in the tank. It gives you a buffer and prevents you from running out of steam when things get tough. A recession can slow down sales, so having cash on hand can help you cover your expenses even if income dips. The ideal amount of cash reserve is usually 3 to 6 months of your operational costs. This way, you can cover your expenses even if sales slow down during a recession. So, just like you wouldn't start a road trip on an empty tank, don't wait for a recession to build your cash reserve. By planning ahead, you can ensure your business is prepared for whatever comes down the road. Renegotiate debts. Renegotiate your loan terms with lenders to secure lower interest rates or extended repayment plans. Imagine you borrowed some money from a friend to buy a bike. Let's say you agreed to pay them back with a little extra on top over a certain amount of time. But what if, down the line, riding your bike became a bit difficult? Maybe you hurt your ankle or you got a busy new job. Renegotiating your debt with your friend is like having a chat and saying, "Hey, things have changed a bit, and it might be tough to pay you back exactly as we planned. Would it be possible to spread out the payments over a longer time? Or maybe even lower the extra bit I owe you each time?" By talking it through, you might be able to agree on a new way to repay the loan that works better for both of you. In the world of business, this is what it means to renegotiate debts with lenders. You're basically asking for better terms, like a lower interest rate or more time to pay it back. This can free up some cash flow for your business, especially during a recession when things might be a little tight. Customer centricity. Double down on customer service and retention. Loyal customers are more likely to stick with you during tough times. Imagine you're running a lemonade stand on a hot day. Customer centricity is like making sure everyone who comes to your stand has the best lemonade experience ever. Here's how. Double down on customer service. When someone walks up, you greet them with a big smile and ask how you can quench their thirst. Maybe they want extra ice, or their friend prefers it less sweet. You bend over backwards to make it perfect. That's great customer service. Retention is key. Now that they've had a fantastic lemonade, you want them to come back for more. You might offer a discount for their next visit or tell them about your new flavor coming soon. This way, they keep coming back to your stand instead of going to someone else's. In a recession, people are more careful with their money. By focusing on customer centricity, you're like that friendly lemonade stand owner. You make sure your customers are happy and valued. so they're more likely to stick with you even when times are tough. They know they can count on you for great service and a product that meets their needs. Win-win. Expand your revenue streams. Explore new products, services, or markets to diversify your income and reduce dependence on a single source. Imagine your business income is like a river. Right now, all that water is flowing from one source. If there's a drought at that source, your river dries up. Expanding your revenue streams is like adding new tributaries to your river. Here's how it works. New products. Think of creating something new alongside what you already sell. A bakery could offer cooking classes, or a clothing store could design custom t-shirts. New services. Maybe you can offer additional services related to what you do. A dog walker could provide pet sitting, or a plumber could unclog drains as well as fix pipes. New markets. This is like finding a whole new river to add to your system. You could sell your products online if you were only selling locally before, or target a different age group or interest with your offerings. By having these extra income streams, even if one source slows down, the others can keep your business flowing strong. It's all about spreading your eggs across different baskets to reduce risk and open yourself up to new opportunities. Become more efficient. Streamline operations and processes to reduce waste and become more cost-effective. Imagine your business runs like a kitchen. You love to bake cookies, but right now, things are a bit messy. Flour gets spilled, you keep forgetting ingredients, and the oven takes forever to preheat. That's where streamlining comes in. Streamlining is like making your kitchen super efficient. Here's how. Find the messy steps. First, you identify the wasteful parts. Maybe you have to run back and forth for ingredients, or the oven takes ages because you forget to preheat. These are your bottlenecks, slowing you down. Simplify and organize. Now, you fix those bottlenecks. Maybe you put a checklist on the fridge for ingredients, or get a timer to remind you to preheat. This way, everything flows smoothly. Less waste, more cookies. By streamlining, you waste less time and resources. This makes you more cost-effective and lets you bake even more delicious treats. The same applies to your business. By streamlining operations, you reduce waste and become more cost-effective. This lets you focus on what truly matters, serving your customers and achieving your goals. Embrace value. Focus on offering exceptional value to your customers. Highlight how your product or service helps them save money or solve problems. Imagine you run a shoe store. Instead of just saying, "We sell shoes," you want to focus on why people should buy shoes from you. That's where value comes in. Here's how to think about offering exceptional value. Benefits over features. You might sell shoes that are waterproof, but how does that benefit the customer? Maybe they'll save money because they won't need to buy new shoes after getting caught in the rain. Saving money. Do your shoes last a long time? Do they come with a warranty? Highlight how your shoes can save the customer money in the long run. Solving problems. Are your shoes comfortable for long walks? Do they have good arch support? Focus on how your shoes can solve a customer's pain points, like foot pain or discomfort. By emphasizing the value you bring to the customer, you can make them see why your store is the best place to buy shoes. They'll be more likely to choose you over the competition and keep coming back for more in the future. Leverage technology. Utilize technology to automate tasks, improve communication, and gain a competitive edge. Imagine you have a superhero sidekick for your business. That sidekick is technology. Here's how technology can be your hero. Turbocharge your time. Remember all those repetitive tasks that take forever, like sending emails or scheduling appointments. Technology, like automation tools, can handle those for you, freeing you up for more important things, like brainstorming new ideas or focusing on customers. Communication captain. Technology can be your communication hub. With project management apps and video conferencing tools, your team can stay connected and share information easily, no matter where they are. No more playing phone tag or waiting for emails. Become the super efficient one. Technology can help you analyze data and understand your customers better. This lets you make smarter decisions and improve your products or services. Imagine having a special tool that tells you exactly what your customers like, so you can give them exactly what they need. By using technology in these ways, You give your business a chance to shine brighter than the competition. It's like having a secret weapon that helps you work faster, communicate better, and become the best version of your business. Invest in your people. Upskill your employees to adapt to changing market demands and ensure a strong, motivated team. Imagine your business is a giant superhero team. Just like superheroes need to keep their powers sharp to fight villains, your employees need to update their skills to tackle new challenges. The business world changes all the time, so by investing in upskilling your team, you're basically giving them cool new gadgets and moves to stay on top. Here's what happens when you upskill your employees. Superhero upgrades. They learn new things and become more confident in their abilities. This is like Iron Man getting a super-duper new suit. Adaptability awesomeness. They can handle whatever the market throws their way, just like a superhero ready for any foe. Motivated crew. They feel valued and excited to use their new skills, making them a happier and more productive team. It's like Captain America inspiring everyone to fight for the good of the mission. Overall, upskilling is an investment in your most valuable asset, your people. It helps them grow, keeps your business competitive, and builds a strong, motivated team ready to take on anything. Plan and adapt. Develop a contingency plan for a recession and be prepared to adjust your strategies as needed. Stay informed about economic trends. Imagine you're planning a camping trip. You pack a tent, sleeping bag, and yummy food for sunshine and fun. But what if it rains? Having a raincoat and extra socks helps you stay comfy. Invest in plan and adapt is like packing for both sunshine and rain for your business. Here's how. Develop a contingency plan. This is your raincoat. It's a special plan that outlines what you'll do if a recession hits, like unexpected rain. You might decide to cut back on some expenses or offer new deals to attract customers. Be prepared to adjust strategies. Just like you might put on your raincoat if it starts to drizzle, your business might need to change its approach during a recession. Your plan can help you be flexible and adapt quickly. Stay informed about economic trends. This is like checking the weather forecast before your trip. Reading the news or talking to financial advisors can help you understand the economic climate and prepare for any potential storms. By planning ahead and being flexible, your business can be like that awesome camper who's ready for anything, sunshine or rain. Alrighty, that's it for our 10 ways to beef up your business for a possible recession. Think of it like building a fort for your financial future. By following these tips, you'll have a stronger foundation, a well-stocked pantry, and a team of awesome teammates ready to face whatever comes your way. Remember, even if the economic weather gets a little stormy, there's sunshine on the other side. So stay prepared, stay positive, and keep hustling. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, these tips can be valuable. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions you'd like to share. Everyone's experience is valuable, and together we can navigate these economic waters.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.